m by q ఇబ్బంది అవుతుందంటే నేను see the example. Enter the data of the matrix 3, out of the matrix 3, matrix B, 3 by 3, 3 by 3 again. 9 elements you entered, and display the matrix of A, display the elements of matrix B displayed. Then resultant matrices will get like this. Understood? Can I execute this program? Yeah? Chuinchana?
Sir.
Okay. Sir. Yeah. Addition completed. Multiplication. అందరూ వినమని చెప్పండి బాబు. తర్వాత multiplication of two matrices. Right? B of, you can take 3 3 also. Nothing wrong. The resultant matrix, addition matrix, take the C. Right? What you need? Index. Again, you want to take index. లేకుంటే మీరు అంత కన్వెన్షన్ తీసుకోండి. Semicolon. Int A comma J comma K comma R1 comma C1 comma R2 comma C2. అంతేనా? How many matrices you're taking? It's now matrices also completed. Right? Matrix multiplication series. Ij, R1, C1, R2. I like this, you take like this. Now, depth, enter the order of the matrix. Matrix A. Right. And order. The order. The order of the matrix A. Ampersand of R1, C1. Right. Now take an order. Again, you take the order of the second matrix also. Second order of the matrix B. Now, R2, C2. Order, we are taking in the first order of the matrix A, order of the matrix B. We entered. Now, we entered both the orders. Now, if, let's take the condition, if C1, that's the number of columns of the C1 not equals to R2. C1 not equal to means number of columns of the first matrix not equals to number of rows in the second matrix. Now, what is the result? Multiplication is not possible. Otherwise, you can write else in the else case also. Like nothing. Printf. Matrix multiplication is not possible. Multiplication is not possible. Right? Now, else. Else means possible, matrix multiplication. What is that? Now, immediately, printf enter the elements of matrix A. I have taken the size. Right? Printf. Matrix A. Right? How to read the elements into two-dimensional array? Two nested for loops. I equal to 0, I less than R1, right? Right? I equal to 0, I less than C1, J plus plus. Scanf. Control D. Send up EF. That's it. If you want to take the flower brackets also, you can take it right in the indentation. Yeah, we have taken the matrix here, right? Next, printf second matrix elements. Enter the elements of matrix B. Matrix B. Then 10. Otherwise, you copy paste. Yeah. R2, C2. Instead of B, matrix A, matrix B. Elements to display. Same print enter the matrix B elements. Right? Print enter the elements of matrix B. I equal to L less than R2, R2 C2. This address R2 C2. Right? Next, how to display? How to display the array elements? Yeah, printf. You display the elements. Printf elements of matrix A. After taking the elements, A. Elements of matrix A. Elements of matrix A. How to take for I equal to 0, right? I less than R1, I plus plus. For loop. Again, one more inner for loop. For j equals to 0, j less than c1, j plus plus. You're displaying, that's why I take one more for bracket for the printf. Printf entirely in the tab also. That's the space between the elements in the row wise. Now a of I j. Right? Printf after one row is completed. Printf goes to control goes to, if you write this printf statement, control goes to next line. Right? Right? This is to display the matrix A elements, no ampersand. Now, again, if you take this copy paste, control C. Now, elements of matrix B. Just I'm copy paste R1 instead of R1, R2, C2 elements, then B. So the B elements, matrix B. Everything is same. From here onwards, print elements of matrix A. ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడ దాకా matrix A elements. ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడ దాకా. Yeah. Matrix B elements you can display. Now, once the display of taking the elements and displaying the elements, once it is completed, now what is next? How to multiply matrix elements? The printf the resultant matrix C. Printf the resultant matrix C is resultant. That's multiplication. Matrix C is what is resultant matrix? Yes. Now start again. I equal to 0, I less than R1, I plus plus. Same like next step. For j equal to 0, j plus plus. Sorry. J equal to 0, j less than, tell me any one of you, j less than R1 C2. Resultant matrix order is R1 C2. That's why take up to this. Right? Now, initially C of ij should be 0 equal to 0. Then again follow. For equal to 0, a less than either C1 or R2. You can take anything. Sorry, C1, R2, whatever you take. And K plus plus. Right? Now C of ij equals to C of ij plus K of ik into B of Kj. Important. Whatever I have done in the matrix, see this very carefully. This is the main operation. C of ij equals C of ij plus, yeah, every time you're adding that ik plus B of Kj. Once it is completed, then right, out for loop also closed. Right? Again, you display this matrix. Display this matrix.
Yes, sir. Already
You can use this one to display how to display the matrix instead of A. Write C elements of matrix. No need to write this one. I equal 0. I less than R1. This is C2. R1 C2, the resultant matrix. This is last one. This is just main operation is this one. Then displaying the resultant matrix elements. See this. Any mistakes? Get errors. Unexpected closing. 1 minute. Where is that? 77. Line 77. This is for if statement. No? If else, we are writing this one. This closed, this closed, this closed, these two closed, these two closed. This is for else. Again, main one. Yes. Enter the order of the matrix. I'm giving 2 by 2 matrix. Enter the order of the matrix. B also. Simple, I am taking 2 by 2. Now enter the elements of matrix A. Matrix of B. Right? Two, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3. Yes. See this, whether it is correct or not. Yes. 2 by 2 matrix. 1, 2, 2, 1. That's multiply 1 into 2 plus 2 into 1. That's 4. 1 into 3 plus 2 into 6 plus 8, 9. 1 into 3, 2 into 6, 6 plus 3, 9. That's it. Again, 2 into 1, 2 into 2, 2 into 2 plus 1. That is 2 plus 4, 4 plus 1, 5. That's it. Again, 2 into 3, 6 plus 9. That's correct. This is 2 by 3 matrix multiplication. So students, are you following?
Yes, sir.
This is matrix multiplication program. I've taken R1 C1 instead of M by N P by Q. It's easy to this. Right? Understood? Just I'm taking the reading and displaying the matrices and multiplying. Whenever condition is true, you can multiply. Otherwise, you take the order. Suppose if I give the order, other order. Suppose, and the order of the matrix 2 by 3. Right? Again 2 by 3. Is it possible to multiply? Addition is possible. Again, simply answer we got it. Matrix multiplication is not possible. That's it. 2 by 3. Number of columns in the first matrix is 3. Number of rows in the second matrix is 2. That's why not possible. It should be same. Okay? 2 cases. Okay, students, I will take the attendance. How many of you joined? I hope some of you joined now. Very good. 5, 6. Only 43 till date. Okay, enter the attendance in the chat box also as well. I will